Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Let's learn shapes today. It's a circle, a yellow color circle. Circle, do you see yellow color circle on the sky? It's a sun. Square. Do you see square? Square like a red color box. A big red box. Triangle. Triangle like a pizza. Do you see pizza, everyone? Oh, it's a heart. A red color, beautiful heart. Do you see heart, guys? A star. So many stars in the sky. So many. An arrow. An arrow. Do you see yellow color arrow? Rectangle. A yellow color rectangle like a briefcase. Hexagon. So many spices on the hexagon box. Pentagon. A red colored pentagon shape. Oval. Oval shaped like an egg. Cone. Have you seen this cone? Yeah, traffic cone. A cube. Have you seen this puzzle cube? Like and subscribe to our channel. Love you all.